Shib Army, welcome back to the channel. These three Shibarium projects are absolutely killing it, crushing it right now. I want to dive in, show all three of them some love, and there are a ton of other Shibarium-based projects out there doing some great things and many to come down the line. But these three in particular right now are three that are really standing out, in my opinion, and I want to go over them, talk about what each does briefly, and just so they're on your radar. As always, this is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence, do your own homework and research before you invest in any cryptocurrencies. There are always associated risks with getting into crypto, but I am all eyes on Shibarium right now, including Shib, Bone, and Leash, but also Shibarium-based dApps and base projects that will add utility to Shibarium and its ecosystem. So this one right here, SERP. I want to start right here. All right. So SERP is Shibarium's biggest perpetual DEX. Get ready to trade your favorite tokens on your chain with 50x leverage from your wallet. Their utility is already rolling out. That is why I think we've seen a huge surge in the last couple days, guys. I did a review on this one way back in March 27th. And this thing has 7x'd since then. So amazing, amazing growth. Shout out to the entire community over here at SERP. And they are adding something very, very unique. I highly encourage you guys to check them out. Their website is SERP.finance. And you can launch the app right now and test it out. SERP is the utility and governance token. Venom will be the liquidity provider for this ecosystem. So that is number one. Number two, I want to jump to is NFAI, another crypto project that I've done a review on. And this one getting close to set new all-time highs yet again. NFAI, again, very, very interesting in terms of what they are building here for the ecosystem of Shibarium as well. NFAI, working in the AI space, right? It's neural trading AI and digital asset lending, innovating digital finance at all costs. Highly encourage you guys to check out what they're doing, jump in, see exactly what they're building here for the ecosystem, and very, very excited about what's coming here with NFAI and what they've already been working on here for Shibarium. So lastly, I want to jump to one other crypto project. This project right here, Koyo. You can see, nice looking chart here since its launch on March 9th. They are burning SHIB like crazy with utilities coming down the road. SERP, along with NFAI and Koi, right now my top three Shibarium plays. And again, there's a ton of great ones out there, but these three are really standing out to me. Koi right now has a built-in burn mechanism into their contract, burning Shiba Inu like crazy, and they will be adding out new utilities. They're going to have some big information dropping actually in 5 days from now, so we'll be on the lookout for that. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel. Let me know how you feel about some of these Shibarium projects out there. Hopefully this video helps in your research. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.